Hi guys, back again. Working on like another illustration. Kind of like the focus was kind of like that Kill Bill, but I'm kind of like switching up the colors. But it's the character kind of looks like the bride, and so I was like, yeah, let me do some faces. Let me change out the sword. Maybe use some nunchucks. Yeah, so I want to do maybe just a character design, change up the colors of the bride, but just kind of mix it up. Take out the sword, maybe do like a karate kick action pose and just a kind of resting type pose. So enjoy. Got any questions, of course, put in the comments, subscribe, and enjoy the drawing. I think I'm gonna try to do like a She-Hulk or something like that. I got like a pretty cool idea for She-Hulk. So since that's pretty popular right now, so stay tuned and enjoy. All right, peace, or keep watching.